Welcome to Cars Trends, your premier source for in-depth automotive insights. Today, we delve into the 2025 Audi Q7, a luxury SUV that masterfully combines performance, sophistication, and cutting-edge technology. Let's explore what makes this vehicle a standout in its class. From the moment you set eyes on the 2025 Q7, its design exudes a harmonious blend of athleticism and elegance. The sleek lines and sculpted contours not only enhance its aerodynamic efficiency but also convey a sense of dynamic motion, even at a standstill. The front fascia features Audi's signature single-frame grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that provide excellent illumination. The pronounced wheel arches house alloy wheels ranging from 19 to 22 inches, depending on the selected trim, further emphasizing its robust stance. At the rear, the continuous light strip connecting the LED taillights adds a touch of modernity, while the integrated roof spoiler enhances aerodynamic performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Q7 offers a variety of powertrains to cater to diverse driving preferences. The base model, known as the 45T FSI, is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering 261 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. This setup enables a 0 to 60 mph sprint in approximately 6.7 seconds. For those seeking enhanced performance, the 55T FSI variant features a 3.0-liter V6 engine, producing 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, reducing the 0 to 60 mph time to around 5.7 seconds. Both engines are mated to an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive gear shifts. The standard Quattro all-wheel drive system provides optimal traction across various driving conditions, enhancing both performance and safety. Stepping inside the 2025 Q7, occupants are greeted by a cabin that epitomizes luxury and comfort. High-quality materials, including premium leather upholstery and refined trims, create an inviting and opulent atmosphere. The driver-centric cockpit features a dual touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrating navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The upper 10.1-inch display handles infotainment and navigation, while the lower 8.6-inch screen manages climate control and other vehicle functions. The spacious interior offers ample room for 7 passengers across 3 rows, with supportive seats ensuring comfort on long journeys. Optional features such as a panoramic sunroof, 4-zone climate control, and ventilated front seats further enhance the luxurious experience. The technological advancements in the 2025 Q7 are designed to enhance both convenience and safety. The Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus offers a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, providing clear and customizable information to the driver. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition, provide an added layer of safety and ease during every journey. The available night vision assistant uses a thermal imaging camera to detect pedestrians and animals in low light conditions, alerting the driver to potential hazards. Additionally, the optional head-up display projects key information onto the windshield, allowing drivers to keep their eyes on the road. Practicality is seamlessly integrated into the luxurious design of the Q7. The SUV offers a generous cargo capacity of 14.2 cubic feet behind the third row, accommodating luggage and essentials with ease. Folding down the rear seats expands this capacity to 69.6 cubic feet, providing versatility for various cargo needs. The power liftgate ensures convenient access, making loading and unloading effortless. Additionally, the Q7's towing capacity of up to 7,700 pounds caters to those with recreational equipment or trailers. In the realm of luxury SUVs, the 2025 Audi Q7 distinguishes itself with its